Hi, my name is Kate. Thank you for your interest, and I wish you good vision. Winlog Evo provides an interface with external DBs, MySQL, SQLite, etc. In previous tutorials, we have seen how the data logger function allows you to interface with any external DBMS, accessible via ODBC, in order to record data tables. You can also directly interface with the external DBMS through the ODBC client protocol. In this tutorial, we will see how, thanks to a series of instructions provided by the internal code, you can interface the external DBMS. Winlog provides a series of functions to interact with MySQL and SQLite databases. Using these functions, you can insert data in tables, execute queries and collect results, modify database structure, etc. In this tutorial, we will use XAMPP to easily install a database management system, and Winlog Evo, our SCADA software. Let's download XAMPP, install it and launch its control panel. Let's activate the Apache server and MySQL database. Let's call up the administration panel, phpMyAdmin. Let's take a look at the database connection data and users. Let's use the basic root user, who has full privileges and no passwords. Let's use test, the default database. For this tutorial, let's download the MySQL API demo project from the Winlog Evo forum. Using Project Manager, let's import the demo project we just downloaded. Let's execute our project. Let's also call up the database web interface, phpMyAdmin. Let's insert the database connection data into the application. Now let's connect to the database. Let's create an empty table. We can also delete our table. Now let's insert 20 rows. We can also insert a custom database row. And read the last inserted row. Now let's read the first row, containing the maximum value 3. And in the same way, let's read the first row, containing the minimum value 1. We can also sum the values in the table, or obtain their average value. Let's close our application and the database interface. We are going to see where to find the code and functions we used in our example. Take a look at the code routines. Now let's take a look at the guide of the API functions used. Thanks for your attention. For more information, I invite you to browse our site, or send us an email. See you at the next tutorials. Have a nice day.